Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to setting up the WebSocket connection using STOMP in React Vite application. So let's get started. So as you can see, the React Vite application. First, I'm going to add the server configuration inside the viteconfig.js file. So as you can see, the configuration for server. This setup a development server proxy that forwards WebSocket and HTTP request from our Vite and dev server to a backend server. With this, I'm going to define here the global definition that we have window. This provides a polyfill for the global object, but not in browsers. After that, let me open here app.jsx file. From this component, I'm going to remove this code. Now here inside the app function, let me define here the useref hook, and we have to initialize this with null. Let me import here useref from React. After that, I'm going to add here the use effect hook where we will write the configuration to establish the WebSocket connection using STOMP. So as you can see, the use effect hook, let me import this inside the use effect. First, let me add here the configuration for client. Let me import this client from stomp.js. Inside this, we have the broker URL. Second, we have the authentication header. Third, we have reconnection delay 5 seconds. After that, we have the heartbeat incoming 4 seconds, heartbeat outgoing 4 seconds, fallback transport. At the last, we have on WebSocket error, where we have the callback parameter error to show the error in the console. After the client configuration, we have the event handlers. First we have on connect, second we have on stomp error, on connect called when connection is established, and this event handles protocol level errors from the server. After the event handlers, we have to manage here the connection. It will store reference for external access. This will start the connection, and this is the cleanup function. Now you can take a look of a app component. Let's navigate to the browser. Let me open here the inspect. Let's go to the console. Now I'm going to refresh the page. As you can see, we got here the error. Sock.js is not defined. Let me import this. As you can see, we got here the console connected to server. So that's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.